Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to be showing you something really cool and honestly, really simple. I'm going to be showing you how to create a logic grid puzzle book using Claude AI, the type of book that's already selling on Amazon right now. And by the end of this video, we're going to have it up and published on Amazon KDP. And listen, stick around to the end because I'm going to be giving you my 5 easiest ways that beginners can use Claude to make money right now. You don't need to spend anything, you don't need any experience, and you could start today. So don't click away and let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing I wanted to show you is that this is a real market with real demand. I'm on Amazon right now and I'm going to search for logic grid puzzle books. Look at this. There are tons of these, and they aren't just random books sitting here with no sales. Scroll down a bit, and you can already start to see books with a few hundred, if we keep going, a few thousand reviews. People are actively buying these. This is a proven niche, and it's the kind of book that we're going to create today using AI for free and get it listed right here on Amazon. Okay, so now I'm going to open up Claude. Claude is honestly probably one of the best AI tools out there right now, especially for creating structured documents like this. I'm in the projects tab here. Now, if you're just doing this for the first time, you'd want to click create a new project, give it a name like Logic Puzzle Books, and then set up your instructions inside of it. The reason projects are so powerful is because Claude remembers everything you set up. Your formatting preferences, your style, how many puzzles you want, all of it. So every time you come back to make another book, you don't have to re-explain anything. It's already there waiting for you. I already have my project set up right here, so I'm going to go ahead and open that up. So this is the prompt I used to generate the puzzle book. I want you to walk through it because the prompt is everything. This is what tells Claude exactly what to create. You can see I'm being really specific here. I'm telling it the format I want, how many puzzles, the difficulty breakdown, how the clues should be written, what the grid should look like. And then down here at the bottom, this is the really important part. This is where I'm telling Claude to make sure every puzzle fits within KDP's border requirements, that each puzzle has exactly one solution, and that it includes the answer key at the back. These details at the bottom are what separate a book that looks professional from one that looks rushed. The more specific you are with Claude, the better the output is going to be. I cannot stress this part enough. While Claude is working on generating the book, I'm going to jump over to ChatGPT real quick to show you how I create the cover. So you can see my prompt right here. I'm describing exactly what I want the cover to look like. The style, the colors, the placement. You want something that looks clean and professional. Something that could sit right next to those books we just saw on Amazon and not look out of place. You might need to run this a couple times and tweak the wording to get exactly what you want. But once you land on something you like, just save it. That's your cover image. Alright, let's jump back over to Claude. Claude's done. Let's take a quick look. You can see it created the intro page explaining how to solve puzzles and the actual puzzles themselves with the clues and the grid all laid out looking clean. Looks great. So let's go ahead and get this thing published. Alright, I'm over here on KDP. I'm going to select create a paperback. Got the title here. Gonna paste that in. And then come down here. Gonna go ahead and select my author name. Paste in my description. I'm flying through this right now because honestly all of this is pretty straightforward. Just paste in your information, select the right answers. Categories for puzzle books is going to be humor and entertainment is going to be the main one, and then the subcategory you're going to select puzzles and games, and then you don't need another subcategory. You'll just pick the ones over here. I picked puzzles, and then I got logic grid puzzles, pick the basic ones. You can get the keywords from Claude too. He'll give you 7 different phrases to paste in there. All right, then when you get to the next page, you'll get the ISBN number from Amazon. They'll give you a free one. And then for a puzzle book, you want it to be black and white interior, and you also want the size to be 8.5 inches by 11. And then I'm going to go ahead and throw in my manuscript right there. It'll take a minute before you see it. I'm going to upload my cover right here as well. And then right here's where you let it know that you did use AI. You can see right here, I'm going to go ahead and pick entire work with minimal or no editing, Claude, and one or a few AI generated images with minimal or no editing, ChatGPT, translates, none. All right, I'm going to launch the previewer. This is where you can see if you have any errors. Mine looks good. I'm going to go ahead and approve. So the previewer is where you would see if you had any errors. Mine was good after I did everything. So we'll come down here, we'll hit save and continue. And this will take us to the pricing page right here. Okay, this part's pretty straightforward. You're just gonna come down here and you're gonna do the top one and input your price in your local currency. I put $14.99. You can see my royalty is gonna be like just under $3. And then I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down here to the bottom and hit publish my paperback. And just like that, you can see that I have my book sitting in my KDP bookshelf. And that's it. You just watched me build and publish a logic grid puzzle book using Claude and ChatGPT from start to finish. No design skills, no writing skills, no experience needed. Now, I told you in the beginning of the video that I was going to give you my 5 easiest ways beginners can start using Claude to make money, and I keep my word. I'm putting together a free resource and I want to get it to you directly. Here's what I need you to do. Comment the word puzzle down below. That's it. Just comment puzzle and I will personally send you the list. This is genuinely useful stuff. Not just puzzle books, but 5 different approaches you can start on today. If you got value from this video, hit the like button. It seriously helps the channel more than most people realize. And subscribe if you want more content like this, because I'm going to keep sharing exactly how I use Claude to build things that make money. See you in the next one.